So ayan guys, our video for today is we're going to mukbang and I will show you how to make the leftover guys. Ayan ang ating fried rice dinuguan with eggs. Ayan guys, I show you kung paano siya gawin. Ayan, para hindi nasasayang ang ating mga bahaw or mga ulam, ang ating over dyan. Kaya, so ayan guys ha, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. Ayan guys ha, pakita ko sa inyo at ang sarap magmukbang. So, kaya mga kalindog, gawin natin ang ating dapat gawin sa mahal na ngayon ng mga bilihin. Hindi dapat itapon o you can't throw guys. Ayan ang ating leftover na pagkain. Kaya guys, ayan. Mag-experiment lang tayo. Experiment. Life is too short. So, let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
My dinuguan fried rice with eggs. O diba? Of course, meron tayong coffee. I will show you guys ang ating coffee na masarap. Ayan, mga kalindog. Let's put some coffee. Ayan, at ang ating, oh my God, fried rice with dinuguan with eggs. O diba? Oh my God, hindi ko mabuksan. So there we go guys, coffee. So ayan mga kalindog, let's eat. So guys, ayan, let's eat our dinuguan fried rice na dinuguan with egg. Oh my God guys, ayan, nasarap. And ayan, tikman natin. My God, it's so yummy mga kalindog. Ang sarap. Lasang-lasa ang dinuguan na may maraming bawang, a lot of garlic with egg. Yummy. Sarap. So yan mga kalindog, itong aking rice na over ano ba tawag doon yung Tagalog na bahaw, ayan, ay ginawa kong in-experiment ko sa dinuguan guys. Ayan, before I cook the garlic, then nilagay ko yung dinuguan and then the rice. Ayan, kaya tinawag na fried rice dinuguan with eggs. Ayan guys, yan ang aking invention. Tikman nyo, ang sarap. Yummy. So, ayan guys, ha. Let's eat first. Yan ang tinatawag na, ano ba yun sa English naman yung, ang sarap talaga. Nakakalimutan ko tuloy guys ang sasabihin. Yummy. Yan guys, pak na pak ang ating breakfast na lunch. Yan. Di ba? Sarap. Grabe. Mga kalindog. Yan. Kaya kayo dyan guys, pag meron kayong mga bahaw or mga tira-tira, pwede nyong experiment yung luto nyo kaysa itapon, di ba? Sayang eh. Di ba sa mahal na ngayon ang bilihin. So, ayan. Experiment ninyo, wag nyong itapon. Di ba? Ang sarap. Yummy. With coffee, di ba? Kalimutan ko na sa English yung bahaw o yung ano ba yon? I mean leftover guys. Tama nga ba? Guys, I forget already my English. No. Diba? And ay mga kalindog, enjoy life. Ayan, pakita nyo, diba? Sarap. At of course, may naghihintay. There we go. Diba? Yummy. Ayan mga kalindog. Diba? Ang sarap. Ni-enjoy ko guys. Life is too short. Enjoy. Enjoy natin guys. Kalimutan natin yung mga galit o ating mga hinanakit sa buhay. Enjoy life. Diba? Ika nga. Sarap. So yan guys, diba? So ayan, Bakerstock. Thank you Bakerstock for always your support. Belly button, thank you. Also, Kevin for liker. Kurt, ayan, thank you so much, guys. Thank you to all my members. Cindy Love, Christy, Cecil, sino pa ba? Of course, Jason and Justin. Ayan. Mga team supporter yan talaga. Very supportive na team. Thank you so much. So ayan guys. Again, sinabi ko, starting now here. Today is October 20. Ayan guys. October 20 is, ayan naman, it's starting raining, cold, and ayan ang winter coming. So ayan guys I told you, when you're eating also moderate. Ayan, di ba? Yummy. Di ba? So ayan guys, almost done our fried rice dinuguan with eggs. Ito. You know guys, life is too short. That's why we need to enjoy. Diba? Yummy. Do not throw all your leftover guys. The rice or mga ulam. Pwede nyo silang you can save it or you can try all like what I did, you see. Instead I throw the rice and the dinuguan, so I cook like this. Experiment, that's it. Ayan guys, no? Life is full of experience, experiment, and trial. Di ba? Here. And of course, our coffee. Di ba? Yummy. So ayan guys, I hope did you enjoy my video. And guys, don't forget to smile. Ayan, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Thank you. Sarap. Ayan guys, no? Bye everybody. See you again. Till next my video. Bye! At ayan guys, meron tayong kape. Ayan. Hindi ko na maubos ang coffee, kaya ayan guys. Meron tayong biscuit. Ang ating biscuit. After eating the lunch and breakfast na fried rice with dinuguan. Fried rice dinuguan with eggs. Ayan guys. Ang sarap. Ayan guys. We are doing this in the Philippines. Ayan. We make sausaw or put the biscuit in the coffee. Diba? So ito na yung pinaka matamis or dessert. Diba? Sarap. Di ba? So, bye!